I will tell you the best way to download and install Realtek Audio Driver Windows 11. You can also install it for Windows 10. And why I said it's best, because it will not take very much time to download. Alright, so open any of your favorite browser and then type Realtek Audio Driver Windows 11 space Intel. So when you have typed Realtek Audio Driver Windows 11 Intel, hit enter. Because many of us has said that it takes a lot of time to download the Realtek audio driver, the high definition HD audio driver for Realtek. The very first result will come intel.com Realtek high definition audio driver for Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can see the date, and from here you can download the zip. So it says Windows 11 and the size is 357.4 megabyte. So I'll click on download and I'll click I accept, and very soon I see that it's getting downloaded. And if it doesn't, you can click on download manually and I can see it's getting downloaded, and the speed is also pretty fast. Now you just need to open that folder and you can install it. So it says 45 seconds left, and once it is downloaded, I just have to do a double click on that and then I can install the HD audio driver, the Realtek HD audio driver. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and please do leave a comment if you have successfully downloaded and installed Realtek audio driver in your Windows 11 computer. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.